wakaaji wasiona tunataka tu Ruto. Wakaaji wasiona tunaangalia Ruto.
What is the value of x if 3x plus 4 is equals to 5x minus 6?
5.
Correct. Find the HCF of 10ax squared and
2ax.
Correct. What is the coefficient of x squared in y equals to 7?
Minus 5.
20 ongeza 20? 40.
40 ukiongeza 10. 50.
If it takes Tunde 1.5 hours to watch this film. Skip. Simplify 27x raised to the power 3 times 64x raised to the power 6 all raised to the power 1.3 times 3x all raised to the power minus 1.
Wewe ujichunge na mtu anakuambia weka signature.
Come look at this.
Ukiweka signature, ng'ombe yako imeenda.
Wow.
Ukiweka signature, title deed imeenda.
Mtu asikuletee fitina.
Duka yako imechukuliwa.
Jesus is Lord.
Wewe ni mdark na sikutaki.
Nah, your appearance is too busy than your life.
The motorcycle which was carrying 2 billion passengers, and the pickup, the driver, and the motorcycle which was carrying 2 billion passengers.
What?
And the motorcycle which was carrying 2 billion passengers
Get out of here right now.
were ascending the hill. We have lost the rider and 1 billion.
Do me a favor, please.
A female dog is called what?
Dog lady.
Dog lady. Are you sure?
Yes.
What about the male too?
It's called main man.
Are you a school of this student?
Senior prefect.
Auntie.
Simple correcting English you cannot speak.
Jesus.
I does not know how your school fees is even paid. What is wrong with you now?
Thunder fire.